Yo, chat. Chat. What up, chat? Can you guys hear me? Bro, I'm not Indian, bro. Just because I'm brown, it doesn't mean I'm Indian. What the fuck? Chat, can you guys hear me? Okay, we had this one sort of cool. Cool. Bro, I'm working on my accent. I'm not Indian, bro. Why does it even matter, bro? Where I'm from? Are you here to know where I'm from or to learn something? We know, bro, don't lie. Bro, whatever. What the fuck? Whatever you think, I don't care, bro. I've already told you I'm not Indian. So if you still don't believe me, then it's your choice. What do we have today? Okay, chat. Let's get into the chart. On USD, I'm looking at this buy side liquidity pool right now. During the London session, we took out Asian low, then reversed from there. We created sort of SM2 with, I guess, GBP. Yeah, we created an SM2 with GBP, and I think today GBP is gonna take out that high before Euro does. Let's see if we can get any setup. By the way, chat, give a thumbs up to the stream, and if you're new here, then do subscribe. USD JPY took out that low. Okay, USD JPY took out this daily low also. That now I'm gonna see if USD JPY wanna take out this low or not. I guess if DXY moves lower, then we'll probably take out this one and also that particular low. We have news. Do we have news on Euro today? Let me just check on it, bro. Okay, there's two high impact news during 8:30 a.m. We have two news at 8:30 and some are medium impact news at 10 a.m. Yep, so 8:30 we have a news, high impact news. Do we see here? I think we're gonna take out this low on USD JPY for sure. I'll look for short sell targeting this low right here. Yesterday was crazy, bro. Took 3L. Let's see if we can manage to take our money back from the market. Why don't you trade US 100? Bro, I do not want to like focus on too many markets. Right now, I'm only trading Forex, but yeah, I sometimes demo trade indices. That's my viewpoint. When I trade uh, one market, I'm stuck on it. What the fuck? Let's ban someone. Done. Fuck him, bro. It's I don't give a fuck who's gonna watch or not. I'm gonna do whatever I want. Nobody tells me what to do or not. If that sounds arrogant, just don't watch, bro. Go watch and someone else. But you will see me improve my accent, bro. If those who are with me in the chat right now, just stick with this channel for enough time. I'm gonna improve my accent. Not because just I want to. I Because most of my audience are from US. Good morning, Bernie. Okay, we see some reaction from there. Yeah. Chat for on Euro USD, I think if we see a push from here, I think we're gonna continue higher. This is a major support level for me. You see that uh, mid level of the shaded box, and we are now at that level. I'm gonna see how price reacts from there. Chat, let me just grab my. Wait a minute, chat. Yeah, we should wait for some retracement, but we already have the low of the day formed during the London session. So we might see a aggressive move on New York session and then maybe a pullback during the London close. What the fuck? All right. So there is also a 15-minute BC right there on that higher time frame support level right there. Do we have anything right now? Okay, I have another support level also there. I think it's gonna continue from here. If I'm right with my analysis, then we'll probably see a upside movement from here. Let's see if we can break this high or not. What's the number of your glasses? Bro, these are blue cut lenses. I don't have any problem in my eyes, but just when I'm in front of the desk, then that that's when I use these sunglasses. I also have another pair. Let me just show you. Also have another one. You see that? I just bought this, I guess, previous week. What's GU doing right now? But we had nice delivery during the London session, chat. Did you guys took any trade during the London session, chat? I haven't took any trade during the London session. I was busy with something, so I couldn't watch the chart. Yep. We had one SMT right here, then also with Euro, I guess. Where is it? Yep. And then price just continued upside from this breaker right there. Chat, give a thumbs up to the stream, bro. And if you haven't joined the Discord community, check the description and join the Discord community. When there's enough member in the community, I'll do weekly outlook for Forex market and indices. Okay, we are seeing some nice push right now. Yeah. Let's just let's give a look at NAS. What's NAS doing, bro? Okay. I think we're gonna take out that high on US 30. Is there any essential? It's not. We have SM2 with SMP on NAS right here. Maybe we're gonna take out that London session slow, then continue higher for NAS like this. Or if we see another SMT forms during the New York session, we also could see like price reversing from there also. SMP to US 30. We also have SMT on 15-minute chart with US 30 chat. What the fuck? Just check on my right. What the fuck? Shit, I'm sweating like crazy. Fuck. Alright. Okay, USD JPY, I think it's gonna take out that low. It's looking bearish, too bearish today. I think USD JPY not gonna take any pullback today. Even if it does, then it has this could be a safer place to put the stop loss. Okay, it's almost one and a half hour trade. Let me just check my account real quick. Where's my trade going right now? Okay. The fuck? I'm cooked. Alright. Let's see that you that I want to see how this BC right here holds price. If we close below that fair value gap, then we'll probably tap into this one right here, and it's in discount, by the way. This fair value gap is in discount. Let's see how this first one works. If it holds price, then we'll probably continue higher from there. Use the check where I just tap into that fair value gap. But damn, bro. What do we have? Let's just see how this trade goes. That give me just 5 minutes, okay? I'll be back. Okay, USD right there. Yep. Chat, I think cable could take out that low right there. If it close below this fair value gap there, then we'll probably see it took out that low right there. And there's also a breaker right here. Let's look at euro. I don't think euro gonna take out this low. We're probably gonna take a pullback right within this discount area. There's two fair value gap right there. Let's see how it plays out. All right. Where is face cam? Face cam is on, bro. I think it will continue go higher today, and Friday we can see lower prices. Maybe, but let's see. I think we're gonna see lower prices on uh, USD JPY and also on USD CAD. So we're bearish on both the daily and the weekly time frame. But we have taken out some major liquidity pools. What are we gonna see right there? 128. Do we have anything on the data? News is coming up. Yeah, bro. There's almost like 40 minutes left for the news page. All right, we see some nice direction off of that 15-minute CB right there. Do you have any? If I see a swing high form around here, not crossing this high, then this trade right here is good to be go. I really want to see a swing high form right there and then continue lower from there. Uh, Break even share price player. I'm in short for euro. Bro, why are you short on euro, bro? We are bullish on euro and cable. Let's see how this candle close. Okay, this candle, this one right here, that black one right there. I do not want to see that candle close above that high, the previous candle's high. It should close around within that BC right there. If it does, then we might see a SM2 with the XY and probably gonna continue lower from there. Let's see if we can anticipate that. What? Damn, come on, bro. You're gonna be you're shitting. Chat, give me a moment and just close the door. Oh, okay, I think it's gonna cross that high right there, that previous candle's high. If it does, then I'll probably take that loss. I don't mind if it stops me out, bro. Let's see how you play out. Do we have anything like right? Now explain your model, bro. Bro, my model is just simple. Just look for external range liquidities. Just look for liquidities. If we can figure out where's the liquidity resting and for the week where's price gonna continue, then it's easy. You can get into that direction and put a bigger stop loss. Yeah, that's it. It it's that simple. All right, we didn't cross that high and we formed a swing high right there, chat. I think we should fall right now. There's a SMT right there. You see that? We should fall right now. Once we cross this low right there, we're definitely gonna hit that target. Let's just wait and see. Chat, I'm sweating like crazy even if the fan is on. Damn, bro. Chat, give a thumbs up to the stream and yeah. By the way, chat. Um, Many of you have been asking me which broker do I use. I use Markets for You. You can check that out. There's a link in the description, and I guess if you register now and deposit, you'll get like 50% deposit bonus up to 5,000 USD. So yeah, if you wanna trade, then yeah, go check them out. Bro, USD JPY should fall right now. What the fuck is it doing? Chat, give a thumbs up to the stream by the way, and if you're new, just hit that subscribe button. Tap the 15-minute fair value gap, then continue lower. USD JPL look like it already tapped into that 15-minute fair value gap, bro. Are you talking about that upper one? I wanna say this remain unfilled, bro. I really wanna see USD JPL fall right now. This candle or maybe the next two candles should cross that low right there. If it's a win, and if I'm wrong, then I'll probably take that loss. Euro USD looking for sales. Your view, bro. Do not take any short on Euro and GU. That's what I would suggest. But if you have your own analysis, then go with your own. Me personally, I won't take a short sell right now because we're in a uptrend right now. Why are you trying to take a short right now? Just explain that, bro. We're gonna take out that high right there, and we're going to take some external wrench liquidity right now on Euro and cable. Cable's probably gonna take out that high right there. Maybe if not today, then tomorrow it will probably gonna take out that high and close the day for. Do not look at too many prayer, bro. Just look at one. Okay, this right here is just moving like shit right now. I might close the trade if it crossed that high. Bro, we have a liquidity sweep, then a mini frame inversion. Right, but we are in upward direction, bro. Uptrend we're in. I told you first, figure out where's price going. Do not just blindly take any trade, bro. We're talking about this sweep right here, right? We can go lower, but I think it's gonna be a high resistant liquidity run. So I personally don't want to take that. If I don't see a setup on euro, I'll probably not take any trade there. Okay, this motherfucker right here is just playing with my mind, bro. Bro, USD JPY is playing with me. What the fuck is USD JPY trying to do right now? Okay, I'm up a bit right now. Alright. Price been burst inside 4 hour fair value gap equilibrium and as you can see 4 hour on USD. Alright, right now this candle should at least close within that inversion fair value gap. I'm gonna use that as an inversion right now if it comes below that, but it's playing right now. So we have like 30 minutes left for the news to hit, chat. What do you think, chat? Are we gonna continue lower on USD JPY or are we gonna stick upside liquidities? What's up, bro? Chat, give a thumbs up to the stream, and if you're new, then hit that sub button, bro. What are you been doing? Man, if we look for swing and trade according to the market, should uh, below Sunday opening Monday trace continuation, but we can expect a bit retracement then continuation. Bro, you can take against the direction right now, but it's not gonna be well a good setup. Okay, this is the Monday's opening right here, right? We created the low right there, then we'll probably take out the Monday side before the week's end. That's what I'm looking at. And we have a liquidity pool right here. Look at the daily candle, bro. We're bullish. And the weekly will probably be bullish also. This right here is more like a consolidation phase for euro. This right here. So we probably gonna break that consolidation phase. Let me just mark that up. We're probably gonna break that upside because so we failed to close below that low right there. And if you compare cable with that, just look how clean cable is. And we also have SMTs with DXY right there. You see that? So that means DXY probably gonna continue lower and euro and cable gonna continue higher. But whatever, bro, don't get me wrong, but if you have your own analysis done, then just go for it. If you're wrong, you'll probably take a loss, and if you're right, then you'll get a win. It's up to you. But if you don't see anything clearly or not sure about the trade, just don't take it. Ignore that pair, bro. Okay, we moving. Bro, why USD JPY just stuck onto that place? What the fuck? Bro, USD JPY already tapped into that 15-minute fair value gap. What are you talking about, bro? Yeah, bro, I got cooked on euro yesterday. I think you guys forgot that, bro. I took through 3L. Damn, it was a nightmare for me, bro. Yesterday's market, I never took 3 loss in my entire trading journey, bro. and my mind was bit off yesterday. Mm, that was also a reason. But whatever happens from now on, bro, I'm not taking more than two trades. Maybe one during the London session and one at New York session. I'm done. Okay, USD JPY looking good right now. Man, this candle should close below that fair value gap. I really want to see it close below that fair value gap. Okay, DXY already took that low right there. So this should also take out that low. If I get stopped out on this trade, there would be a one reason. If I see a SMT right here, a swing high forms on the 5 minute, then it will probably go up and take both of those high. If we see a high swing low forms within that fair value gap, but as long as it doesn't form a swing low right there, I'm good. Okay, there's like 14 minutes left for the news to hit, bro. Not 24 minutes. I was wrong. Yeah, 24 minutes left. Chat, are you guys in any trade right now? See, if you went short on right within this leg, you would have been stopped out right now. I think we're gonna continue higher on the New York session. If not, then the London close. Because we haven't created the high during the session. So I'll probably wanna see price creates the high of the day during those session. I'm to be stopped out. Bro, are you already short on Euro? Euro's gonna manipulate more than sorry, cable's gonna manipulate more than Euro today. And when the news hits, we're definitely gonna take out that high, right? That high. It's probably gonna make create some SMT with DXY. Whereas Euro is gonna continue like nicely, but cable's gonna manipulate before the news. Do not go long on cable until you see a clean expansion like right there. Then you'll probably see some breaker or fair value gap within that range. Then just go long targeting that high. And also uh, look for some SMT with DXY. If you see, then it's far better option. I entered at inversion. Bro, just cut the trade off, bro. Stopped out. Okay, just wait. If you're if you want to take any other trade, just wait to see if market gives you any opportunity. If not, then just don't take any trade for today. Bro, look at how clean this price leg was. Let's avoid USD JPY is going down, I guess. Dude, USD CAD is moving like crazy. We have this low right here, and I think it's gonna take out that low. What the fuck? I missed that one, bro. How much point was that? Okay, this one was like 2.7 or trade and almost 20 pips. Right. Let's see what USD JP we're gonna do. Chad, right now I don't want to see USD JPY create a swing low within that fair value gap. If I see, then I'm gonna close that trade. What I want to see here is that price. This candle right now should cross that low right there, and probably the best scenario would be it closes below that inverse fair value gap right there. But we need to see that candle close below that low. We do not want to see any candle closer within that previous candle's range. I just want to use the JPY to quick close of it and to for look for turtle soup entry. It could be, bro. This could be a turtle soup if we see a swing low forms within that uh, fair value gap there. But don't say that, bro. I'm short on this. What do we see here? I might just increase the stop for this trade right there. Yep. Nah, bro. It's not looking good right now. What the fuck? 2.5 minutes left for the candle closure. And I wanna see that damn bitch falls. What the fuck, bro? Let's see that when it closed that bullish order block. Bro, everyone is just opposite of me today. What the fuck? Chat, give a thumbs up to the stream, bro. And yeah, subscribe to the channel. We're too close to hit the 15K sub. Just hit that subscriber button, bro. And before this year ends, also wanna hit 20K. I'm cooked on this. Yep. 1 minute left for the candle closure. Just go below that low, bro. What do we see on GBP? Right. Let's just have a look. I kind of think like we gonna create some sort of SMT with GBP right there. But we also have a BC right there. We also have BC right there, chat. USD JPY. Bro, there's 11 seconds left for this candle closure. What the fuck is it gonna do right now? Damn, I think now it's gonna, if it doesn't close below that low, we're gonna take out those highs right there. Those relative equal highs, we're gonna take out those, then probably continue lower. Same scenario as the previous day. What the fuck? Chad, be ready. Next month, we're probably gonna organize another giveaway for you. So yeah, if you're not in my Discord server, just go and join it now. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? I'll look after the news. Alright, USD JP are gonna cook me today. It's gonna take my stop out, I guess. Yeah, bro, look at USD CAT. We're so close to take out that liquidity pool right there. Damn, bro, it's this clean price, bro. How many points did it move within that five candles? 13 points, bro. What the fuck? Chad, do not go long on cable unless you see some clear price leg, whether it's in downside or on upside. If it's in the downside direction, just look for some fair value CB, and when price go through that CB, take a trade thinking that that CB would act as an inversion fair value gap. I'm not gonna touch cable right now. So we have like 12 minutes left for the news chat. 12 minutes left right now. All right. It looks like USDJ price bewitched today. Yeah, bro. I think USDJPI heard what I said. USDJPI be like, fuck you all. I'm gonna take all of your stop loss today. But I kind of think like it's gonna create some sort of wick right there and then probably go down. While we're gonna see ASM2 with the XY. Okay, I'm almost down like how much? Set 20 pips stop loss on this trade right here. Chat, what I think here right now we're gonna see a SMT like this, and USD probably gonna go lower from that CB right there. From that CB right there is DXY gonna continue lower, and we're gonna sweep this high. Okay, we're about to take out those highs right now. Chat, give me a moment. Chat, 5 minutes left for the news to hit. Am I gonna get stop route on this? Chat, we are at that, so we are in that fair value gap on DXY. That's severe right now. And we have taken out highs on USD JPY. We talked about that, how we're gonna sweep those highs and probably create a swing high around there within that 15-minute CB right there, while USD gonna continue lower from that CB right there. So let's see if our analysis is okay or not, or we're gonna get cooked on this too. Chat, look how nicely it reacted off of that BC right there. Okay, geos continuing lower, and I have this two level on for cable. I think it's gonna take out that low and probably continue higher. If not, probably it's gonna probably continue from within that fair value gap right there or this one. And we also have a breaker. It should not go below that low if we are really bullish on cable. That's what I'm anticipating on cable right now. Okay, euro is doing well right now. Okay, this one is also doing well. Chat, if this candle closed right around here, we're gonna continue lower when the news hits. We should continue lower right now. What the fuck is wrong with USD JPY, bro? Nah, bro, I'm about to hit 25. I'm a whole ass bitch, bro. This October, I'm gonna hit 25. Oh, it's close. Now I'm 24 plus. You're 27? What the fuck? Really, bro? What is the reason? There's no reason, bro. You're gambling. Let's just wait for the news. So, like 40 seconds left for the news to hit chat. Man, this candle should close around here. Then we'll continue lower if the when the news hits. If it cross that high, we're cooked on this trade. I'm definitely cooked on this trade. What that 1 minute candle string? Okay, I think kind of we're gonna continue lower. I kind of think we're gonna continue lower chat. I look like 23, 24. Bro, I look like 18, bro. Damn, bro. What the fuck? What that news right there? Let's just have a look at it. Unemployment claims is pending right now. So we're bullish for the prelim GDP. Okay, we're going down. What the fuck? Okay, get it. Bro, USD cat should have gone, sorry, USD should have gone lower. The actual number was lower than the forecast on unemployment claims. What the fuck just happened? Okay, I'm gonna take that stop. Chat, I'm down like, let me just check. Okay, I took like 320 bucks loss on the trade. Damn, bro. Okay, we about to hit that fair value gap on cable. Now let's look at you. Chat, even if these pairs continue slower, I'll still look for a long on euro and cable. I'm not gonna change my bias today. Yesterday I did and it took like three loss. Okay, we are in that fair value gap, and let's see how this breaker holds the price. I want to see how it's gonna handle that price right there. Bro, what I told you, man. See you. Bro, if your entry is wrong, then how are you supposed to take a win, bro? What are you even saying right now? You didn't even took out that low right there. And we have, let's just do a demo trade on this, right? I'm going at taking a demo trade in front of you guys. Just look. I'm not switching my bias for today. Even if I'm gonna get stop out, I don't give a fuck on that. Okay, we're not good on that. Are we good on this? Have we taken out that high? Yeah, we've taken out that high right there, bro. And let's measure the OT. Okay, we are at now this I guess premium. Yep, we're at the premium section right now within this price leg. That's my dealing range for USD JPY. And if we see the OT, we are right into that OT level. Okay, the next candle I want to see it closes within that range. This candle range. It should not cross that low right there. If it does, then I'll probably wait for the London close. And I talked about how this high is going to be taken out during the New York session because I want to see the high of the day forms within those kill zones, bro. DXY, okay. US cable is right into that fair value gap, and it's about to hit that breaker right there, and it's also a 15-minute bullish order block. Yep. Chat, listen, if you even if you are uh, like right about your bias or where it's gonna go, if your entry is strong, then you will get cooked, bro. That's the reality, bro. And that's why I say we should take trade with a bigger stop loss. That doesn't mean that we should risk more, but we need to have a bigger stop loss on trades. Okay, let's see how this candle close. Then I'll probably say like if it's gonna continue lower or not. All right, all right. Okay, if this candle doesn't go up there, then we'll see. We're probably gonna see this low right here gonna taken out, and we'll probably create a SM2 with cable right here, more like this. We're gonna create a SM2 with the euro on cable. That's what I'm looking at. I think we're gonna see some nice price delivery during the London close chat. If we do not see price take out those highs on the higher time frame for euro and cable, we're probably gonna see some sort of manipulation during this session today, and we're gonna continue higher during the London close. Okay, GU tapped into that bullish order block on the 15-minute and that breaker right there. Let's see if this is a setup or not. Okay, Euro's just hanging around that fair value gap right now. And I guess no. Chad, let's just observe price. Okay. And this one is still running. Whatever the UCJ. Okay, we took out that high right there. And all right. Okay, we're moving. We're moving right now on euro. What's this shaded box right here? I think it's that consolidation phase. Okay, on euro we pay. I think we're gonna keep this 1 hour BC remain unfilled, and on cable we tapped into that BC right there. Yep. Let's see if this two works out. Chat went right there with like how much 10 pips stop loss, and we're gonna target that high right there. Chat, give a thumbs up to the stream, and yeah, subscribe the channel. Chat, let's see we can hit 15K today. Sub up, bro. Sub up right now. Let's hit 15K today. Okay, we closed out about that fair value gap right there. Now to see if price gonna continue higher or not. Chat, are you guys in any trade right now? Okay, we're moving. We're moving right now. Chat, we're moving like crazy on this setup. I think we're gonna hit that TP. Okay, this one is also moving from there. Yeah, my stop loss would be there. Let's see if we can hit this to chat. Yep. All right. Chat, look at this. What did I say, bro? What did I say, bro? Just put some W's in the chat right now. At least for this one, we are almost 1 hour up on this trade. I talked about how you're gonna tap into that fair value gap right there, or maybe into that uh, bullish breaker, and we're almost up like 1 hour on this trade. We can target this high right there if it continues higher, and if you're in this trade, just take something off when it hits this price. Okay, we're cooking right now. Okay, W man, W analysis today. We had some nice analysis today. Is someone calling me? What the fuck? Okay, DXY is gonna move lower today. Chat, take something off when price moves like 50% of your target. Always take something off of the trade when it moves like 50% of your trade, whole trade. Okay, on the USD gap, take something off when price take out this low right there. Dude, we're like 1 hour up on this trade. You can now just reduce the risk on this trade. Maybe around here, just below that low. Long found in 2 minutes, waiting for a 2 minute fair value gap retest. 2 minute fair value gap reset. I think we might not see that today. Bro, this one almost traded up to like 1 hour. More than 1 hour, I guess. Let's just see. One and a half hour trade this was. If I would like have a trade on this, and our target is right there, 15 pips on this trade, and we risked like 10 pips on this trade. So it's a how much 150 and yeah, almost 5 hour trade. Chat, put some Davis in the chat right now. Okay, take something off of cable trade right now. take something off of the cable trade, maybe 30% off of the trade, and just move the stop loss to break even. If you are afraid to hold on to that trade, then take something off of it. Bro, USD JPY is crazy. It's going like crazy right now. Bro, we just cooked today. Yesterday I had like three loss, and today I have like one, two, three. Bro, what the fuck? Are you kidding me, bro? I'm getting too much excited. Okay, let's just let it run. Is there anything on the 3 minute chart? Have we taken out anything on the higher time frame? Yeah, Gio's gonna rip those high, bro. You're just gonna rip those high up. It's gonna go through them. Alright, now I wanna see how it continues from here. Let's just wait and watch. Chat, hold on a minute. I'm gonna be right back. Chat. See, that's why I told you to take something off of the trade. You always need to take something off of the trade when it moves like 50% or like one third of your trade for profit target. And even if this now reverse from here, I'm okay with that. I took my money out of it already. And let's see USD cat. Okay, USD cat might take out that high one more time, but if you're in the trade on USD cat, uh, hold on to the trade unless you see this high being taken. And let's talk about USD JPY. Okay, USD JPY is also trying to take out those highs one more time. Yeah, bro. We have another news at 10 a.m. Right. So maybe we see some movement during that time also. I think we did well today, chat. We did well, chat. What do you say? I'm gonna let this trade run. See if it's gonna take out that high right there. Just mark that on. And I'm gonna post the this trade on the community post on my YouTube channel. Right there. All right, and GBP probably gonna take another pullback or could take out the low one more time. But I wanna see that high taken out on cable. But whatever today's session was nice chat. We waited and yeah, we got our money back. I think I'm gonna end the stream for today's chat, and I'm gonna post the result on my Discord server and also on the community post. So let's and just end the stream and yeah, until we meet tomorrow. Peace out, chat. My brother almost blew his 15K challenge second and only left $20 for it to be blow. I couldn't save it. Bro, just let it grow, bro. Let it go. You can just expect to buy one challenge and pass that uh, with the first try. You will blow like 5 to 10 accounts. After that, you're gonna like have couple funded accounts. Chat, let's wrap this up and yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Until then, peace out, chat.